Welcome back to the QuickBlox AI Agent tutorial series. In this video, you will learn how to enable human handover, assign agents, and use triggers to automate actions when your AI assistant needs additional support. While your AI assistant can answer most questions automatically, there may be situations where human assistance is required. Human handover allows conversations to be seamlessly transferred from the AI assistant to a live human agent. This ensures users always receive the help they need, even when the AI does not have the answer. To begin, open your AI assistant and click on the Human Handover tab. This is where you configure how conversations are transferred from your AI assistant to human agents. You can enable the option to notify users when a human agent joins the conversation. Next, you can choose how conversations are assigned to agents. You can assign incoming conversations only to agents who are currently online, or allow assignment to both online and offline agents. If you allow assignment to offline agents, you can also configure a custom message to notify users. For example, you can enter a message such as, "The support agent is currently offline but will get back to you during our working hours between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Before assigning agents, you will need to create agent profiles. Click on the Agents tab in the dashboard. This is where you can create and manage human agents who will handle escalated conversations. Click the Create button, then enter the agent's full name, login, email, and password. You can also enable the option to create an agent profile for yourself. This allows you to access the agent desk directly from your admin dashboard. Click Create to add the human handover agent. Each agent gets access to their own agent desk using the login link displayed here. Here they can manage conversations with users. Agents can log in using their credentials, set their status to online or offline, and respond to incoming conversations. You may make changes to your profile and login credentials here. Whenever a conversation is handed over from the AI assistant, it will appear here in real time. Now that your agents have been created, return to the Human Handover tab. Click Add and select the agents you want to assign to this AI assistant. These agents will now be available to receive escalated conversations. Always remember to click Save after making changes. One of the most common ways to trigger human handover is when the AI assistant cannot answer a question. To configure this, open the Knowledge Base tab and go to the Unanswered Questions section. Enable the Human Handover option, then click Save. Now when the AI assistant receives a question it cannot answer, the conversation will automatically be transferred to a human agent. Let's test this on the Live Website widget. Ask a question that the AI assistant does not have an answer for. You will see that the conversation is automatically handed over to a human agent. At the same time, the conversation will appear in the agent desk, where the agent can respond and assist the user. Human handover can also be triggered manually by users. To enable this option, go to the Widget tab and enable the Human Handover button. You can also customize the text displayed during the handover process. Once enabled, users can click this button to request assistance from a human agent at any time. In addition to human handover, you can also use triggers to automate actions based on user behavior. Triggers allow your AI assistant to respond intelligently based on predefined conditions. To create a trigger, open the Triggers tab and click Create. Enter a name and description for your trigger. Currently, you can configure triggers based on the number of messages sent by a user. For example, you can set a trigger to activate after 5 user messages. When this trigger condition is met, you can automatically send a message in the chat. For example, you may click on the Connect to an Agent button if you are unable to find a satisfactory answer. This helps guide users toward the next step. Triggers can also send webhooks. This allows you to redirect users to external resources such as help centers, contact forms, or other applications such as Q Consultation. This is especially useful when additional steps are required beyond the chat experience. Let's test the trigger on the Live Website widget. Send messages until the trigger condition is reached. Once the trigger activates, you will see the automated message appear exactly as configured. With human handover and triggers, your AI assistant can provide a complete support experience. It can automatically escalate conversations when needed and guide users through the correct support process. Your AI assistant can now seamlessly escalate conversations to human agents and automate responses using triggers. In the next video, we will show you how to collect structured information from users using intake forms. Continue the series to unlock the full power of your QuickBlox AI assistant.